electronics. All about electronics.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Electronics. In this video, I will show you fire alerting system with the help of the GSM. If the fire alert produced, then the GSM send the text message and calling alert also. See, in the one mobile is the text is say that fire alert, and in one mobile to the alerting system. Okay, there are the component used in these projects. First component is Arduino Nano. Second is the flame sensor to detecting the fire. Third one is the 16:2 LCD display with the I2C module. They working on the only 4 pins: SDA, SCL, VCC and ground. Fourth one is the GSM module 900A to sending a message or call. Fifth one is the buzzer. Sixth one is the 2 LED. Let's go in the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, I am using a Fantaizi software, and first I arrange all the components like Arduino Nano, LCD module, flame sensor, red LED, buzzer and yellow LED, and 220 ohms resistor, and do the circuit diagram. The final circuit diagram given to my website, and my website link attached to in video description. Please go and check. Okay, let's go in the making all the hardwares. I am using 0 PCB and making a different slots such as the Arduino Nano slot, buzzer, red LED, yellow LED. This is the I2C module LCD display, 16 to LCD display. This is the I2C slot. Each pin connected to the SDA, SCL and ground and VCC. This is the flame sensor to connect it to these slots. This is the digital sensor, that's why I can use digital pins. This is the GSM module connected to the RX and TX pin to the Arduino of TX and RX pin, and ground common. Okay, let's go in the finally code. The making of the code, I am using a Arduino IDE software. First you include the libraries and check all the pins, and check all the pins, check all the output or input pins, check baud rate, and go to the tools, select board, select port, and press the uploading button or compile button. See in the right side the compiling is started. Code is completed. Let's go in the working side. In this working, all the hardware is arrangement and ready. 16:2 LCD display, 0 PCB to mount the Arduino Nano, buzzer, red LED and yellow LED, and one flame sensor and GSM also connected. Okay, this power of the system. First LCD show welcome to the Just Do Electronics, and again so LCD is no fire. It means is no fire generated. I'm using two mobiles. One is the text purpose and one is the calling purpose. That's why is two mobiles using in this project. Okay, I can try to provide a fire to the fire sensor. See in the LCD display the fire alert given, and the red LED indicate to the and buzzer also indicate to the fire alert. See in the one mobile is the calling alert produce, but I think is one mobile is not text message produce. Yeah, one in one mobile text message is not coming. I can try in second time. I can fire generate in the flame sensor. Generate the fire in the flame sensor. See the LCD show the fire alert, the red LED indicate and buzzer also indicate. Waiting for message. See in the second mobile the message is coming, and the message show the fire alert in this number, and calling also coming. Oh yeah, is done. It's totally done. See in the one mobile show the text and one mobile show the calling. If you like this project, please press the like button and share with your all friends. The code and circuit diagram given to the video description. Please go and check if you required. If you are a new person, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.